All right. And right away, I can feel there's a huge amount of heft to this riser. Holy smokes. This is really a heavy riser, and that's awesome. That's a good thing. And they mounted the stainless steel plates here. Awesome. And there's all kind of jazz on this thing. This is going to be really interesting to put some ukuleles on this thing. I like it. It's really, really smoking looking. Almost 2 kilos. Holy smokes. That's heavy. Holy smoke, this thing is gonna be deadly. I can't wait to put some ukuleles on this thing. Nice. And I like the finish. It's like a matte finish, but it's almost like it's soft, like almost like velvet. Damn, it looks good. That's a freaking hell of a setup this thing is gonna make with the ukuleles.